Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Frank Taylor, and I'm what you might call a cybersecurity professional. I've been working in the information technologies and cybersecurity fields for almost 30 years now. I find it just fascinating trying to figure out how the bad guys do what they do and what we can do to help stop it. Have you ever gotten an email and looked at it and thought, that just doesn't look right? Maybe it has an attachment on it, or maybe it has a link in it that you're not familiar with and you're just not sure about it. Or maybe you got a text message on your cell phone from out of the blue from somebody you don't know. Maybe it says it's your bank and it's got a link in it and they want you to tap on that link. And they make it seem like it's really important and critical that you take action right away. Maybe you got redirected to a website that starts asking for your username and password or credit card information or other information about you that you're not sure you should enter onto those websites. These are all types of social engineering attacks, and they happen all the time. And they happen in business and they happen to individuals, people like you and me. That's one of the ways that bad guys go about trying to steal your information. And once they have your information, then they can turn around and do bad stuff with it. This channel is going to focus on topics that are relevant to individuals, small businesses, the cybersecurity community at large, and maybe those that, like me, have a somewhat morbid curiosity in what the bad guys do and how they do it. The goal of this channel is to protect individuals and companies from those bad guys. To do that, we'll talk about recent cybersecurity events that may have just happened. We'll cover cybersecurity topics like personally identifiable information and why that is important to protect. We'll cover things like ransomware, which is an ongoing problem. We'll talk about cybersecurity tools like VPNs, firewalls, antivirus software, anti-malware software. We'll discuss what the differences are, what they're used for, and why you need them. Now, I'm not a salesman, so I'm not representing any specific products. So when we talk about these topics and tools, I'm not going to be giving any recommendations on any certain thing to use, but we'll talk about the concepts in general. I'm going to post these videos every other week. If you have questions or cybersecurity topics that you'd like covered, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to cover them in future videos. So come explore the world of cybersecurity with me. Hit the notification button below, and while you're there, click on the bell icon so you get notified when I post new content. Also, give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I'm really excited to share my experiences in cybersecurity with you, and I look forward to any questions or topics that you might be interested in as well. So until we meet again, be safe out there.